Namaste and welcome to this guided practice of meditation. In this session, we will explore relaxation of the body and the mind. Our fast-paced modern lifestyle is often accompanied with high levels of stress. We carry tension in our bodies, but also mentally and emotionally. The need of the hour is letting go of all these tensions and experiencing deep relaxation at all levels. But for many of us, relaxation means lying on the couch and watching television at the end of a stressful day. While this may divert our attention from the stress in the moment, it does not help much to reduce the damaging effects of stress. Rather, we need to activate a natural response in the body known as the relaxation response, a state of deep rest that slows down the breathing, heart rate, lowers blood pressure, and brings the body and mind back into balance. And meditation can be a very effective tool to trigger the relaxation response. So let's get started with today's practice. Finding a quiet and a comfortable place for practice. You may be seated cross-legged on a yoga mat, or you may even sit with your back against the wall. And if you're not comfortable sitting down cross-legged, feel free to sit on the chair with your feet resting on the floor. It is important that you feel comfortable and alert during the practice. As you settle in, gently close the eyes, or keep them partially open if you'd like, with a soft gaze downwards. Place your hands on the knees. Relax the abdomen. Lift the chest up and lengthen the spine. Roll your shoulders up and backwards. Relax the arms, neck. Soften the facial muscles, keeping a gentle smile on the face. Take a slow and deep breath in, and breathe out slowly and completely. Acknowledge the external sounds as part of practice. For the remainder of the practice, you will be aware of my voice and keep the body still. Now become aware of the body. Observe the entire body as a single entity. Notice if any parts of the body feel tight or tensed. We will now induce a sense of relaxation throughout the body, starting with the top of the head all the way down to the toes. Bring the awareness to the top of head. Observe any sensations at the top of head. Now imagine a wave of relaxation moving down the body as I call out the name of the body part. Relaxing the top of head, the wave moves to the sides of the head, back of the head, relaxing the entire scalp. Relaxing the ears, softening the forehead, space between eyebrows, eyelids, cheeks, jaws, separating the jaws, creating space in the mouth. Soften the tongue, lips, relaxing the entire face. Feel this wave of relaxation moving down the front of neck, throat center, and the back of neck. Relaxing the shoulders, allowing the shoulders to drop, and softening the upper arms, elbows, forearms, wrists, hands, and the fingers. Now feel the wave of relaxation around the spine, relaxing the upper back, the middle back, and the lower back. Relaxing the front of torso, soften the chest, the abdomen. Now feel the wave of relaxation moving from the hip down the thighs, knees, calf muscles, ankles, feet, and the toes. Relaxing the lower body completely. Feel the entire body covered in this wave of relaxation, from the top of the head to the tips of the toes. Complete relaxation of the physical body. Now bring the awareness to the breath. Feel the subtle expansion and contraction as you breathe in and out. Observing the rhythm of your natural and spontaneous breath. Now begin to deepen the inhalation and lengthen the exhalation. Slow and deep inhalation, slow and longer exhalation. And as you breathe out, feel the body relaxing further and further. Letting go with every exhalation. Now return to natural breath. Become aware of the body again. And feel the sense of touch. Feel the contact between the body and the seat. Feel the palms resting on the knees. Observe the body as a single entity. And notice how you feel after today's practice, physically and mentally. If anything is different from the beginning, do acknowledge it. Making gradual movements to release the posture. Wiggle the fingers and toes. Gently move the neck sideways. Bring your hands in front of chest with palms together in Namaskar Mudra. Rub the palms till you feel them getting warm. And then cup them over the eyes. Enjoy this feeling of warmth. And release your hands, open the eyes with a gentle smile. Welcome back. Meditation has been proven to help lower stress, sleep better, focus more, and improve the quality of life. The beauty of the relaxation response is that it can be activated using simple tools of softening the muscles, relaxing the body parts, and by taking slow, long, deep breaths. Try it the next time you find yourself feeling overwhelmed. Take care, and I will see you soon. May we all be healthy and peaceful. Hari Om Tat Sat.